everybody, I am Amy Dodd, Creative Director at Tate & Zoe.
And I'm Rachel Fuller, Director of Sales here at Tate & Zoe.
And we are so excited to be back with you to show you our newest gifts that are launching today in your brand affiliates gift boutiques. Are you excited?
I'm so excited. This whole collection is called Patio Pops.
Yes.
And you know, I think especially nowadays, so many people are still working from home, but you know, maybe you're working out on your patio, or maybe it's the weekend and you're just chilling on your patio. Either way, people are loving hanging out on the patio.
Yeah, and what I love about this collection is it's really sharing how you can create your outdoor space, freshen it up without doing a total rehaul, because I'm sure you've got some patio furniture and it maybe just needs a little pop to freshen it back up. So we've got some really great gifts to liven up your patio. Let's jump right in with one of my favorites. This is our Totally Zen bird bath. So you can see he's got a little bit of a divot to put some water in, but honestly, I just think he's cute the way he is. I would put him right by my front porch or next to my chair. I just think he's a statement piece. So cute. In fact, here I'm going to kind of put him next to our baskets, our rope baskets. You can put a little plant in there. But literally just this is already creating a fun little patio pop. So cute. I absolutely love it. And with this, Rachel, I would put our new Advice from a Garden sign. So let me grab that. It's right here. I would totally place this together. I think that looks fabulous. I love the green.
I agree.
The natural color tones. I think it looks so pretty. And do you want to read what it says?
Yes, it's Advice from a Garden. This is so my mother-in-law. It's right up her alley. Take time for yourself, sow seeds of kindness, listen to sage advice, cultivate friendships, find your inner peace, always keep growing, and remember your roots. It's good advice.
I love it. I love this little grouping. Let us know what you think. Drop it in the comments. Which one's your favorite so far? Are you loving the sign, the Totally Zen, or of course our rope baskets? Now I will say, Rachel, these items, the basket and the sign, probably are best under like a covered porch or maybe just some sort of a covering. Our Totally Zen frog, he could kind of go anywhere, but these two you might want to put in a covered area.
Yes. Okay, so we've talked about some things to put under a covered area, but now let's talk about some things that you don't need to put under a covered area because they are completely water resistant.
I love these. I love these so much.
Yes, so here I've got in my MB green tote bag, which, I mean, first of all, get a load of how big this is.
I know.
Fit two whole.
You can fit more in here. It's so
Yes.
great. I love this. And water resistant, it does have this great liner. So if you're going to the beach or the pool, you don't have to worry about your bag. It's coated wax. This is the greatest bag for water resistant. But let's start with the pillows inside.
Yes, okay, so these are two. We've got a couple designs, but these are just two of them. And we're actually going to do a demonstration to show some water on them so you can see how water resistant they are. But this is our blue watercolor one. I love this design. I think it's so on trend. It's got those deep indigo colors that really just make your patio look fresh and bright. And then green, you can't go wrong with green. And this is kind of a more tropical pattern, but I even love the way that they look together.
I really do. I love the navy with the green. I mean, we can even hold it up to, like, you know, with our baskets and things. It just all really blends together. And again, the name of the collection is Patio Pop. These are really going to give you some pops in your patio to make it fun. But Rachel talked about how these were water resistant. So we're going to go ahead and do a little bit of a demonstration. So we've got our beautiful greenery pillow, and I do in my Anywhere glass, I have some water. And so I'm going to tilt it a little bit because it's going to run. And it's going to run right onto here and hopefully not make too big of a mess. But you can just see how literally, and even on the blue one, it's just like the water droplets are just staying.
It's like Rain-X. It's crazy.
It's amazing. These pillows are fabulous. Drop in the comments how much you're loving these. I mean, they're perfect for your patio. I don't even know how you could go wrong with these. And actually, it'd be really fun if you were doing like a picnic, even to have these on the ground to sit on. Because if you have like the wet grass, you don't have to worry about these getting damaged on the wet grass. So love these, love these. And let's jump into some of our other fun ones. This is our Cactus Pillow with this little fun punches of pink.
I love the pop of pink. It's so vibrant. And I think this one, especially if you have a small patio, you maybe have like one chair on your patio or something, you throw this on there and it completely changes the look of your patio.
I would absolutely agree. And the cactus is so on trend, and it really doesn't matter where you live. If you live in Florida to California, it does not matter. Cactuses are totally on trend. And I love this pink. If you have little flamingos in your yard, how cute would that be?
So cute.
I love it. So right now we've got these 3 fabulous pillows. Please drop in the comments which one's your favorite. Rach, which one's your favorite so far?
I love the cactus one, I have to say.
I really have to tell you I have a hard time picking. I do love the combination of these two together though, but
Yes.
this one I would have a special spot for sure. So we do have one more pillow, and this is a little bit something different for us. So this pillow is our Chic leaf pillow. And this one actually might be my favorite. I saved my favorite for last. And this pillow is a little special because this pillow is only going to be available for our VIGs, which stands for Very Important Gifters. So Rachel, do you want to talk about the VIG program?
Yes, so if you're like, oh my gosh, I have to have this pillow, how do I become a VIG? Let me first tell you the best news about becoming a VIG is it's completely free. And not only is it free to sign up, but then you're gonna get rewards and you're gonna get product credits and VIG cash towards future purchases. So it's free to sign up, and then you're gonna rack up rewards anytime that you shop your Tate and Zoe brand affiliates gift boutique.
And not only that, you're gonna get access to exclusive products like this beautiful...
And discounts. Access to exclusive products and access to exclusive discounts. So you really, truly have nothing to lose by becoming a VIG.
So how do you become a VIG?
You simply go to your Tate and Zoe brand affiliates website, and then there's an Earn Rewards tab at the top. So you'll click Earn Rewards, and you can find it there.
That's right. If you still need some help, go on to tateandzoe.com and we'll hook you up with a brand affiliate and with becoming a VIG. Don't forget these pillows. I'm going to do it one more time because I just can't help myself, Rachel. I just love it so much. They are water resistant. You're not going to have to worry about these, or you know what, with your little kiddos, like spilling.
Oh yeah, I know.
Spilling the water
these are
outside.
indoor, outdoor. I might be putting these inside my house.
Oh, yeah,
too.
absolutely. All right, so thank you so much for joining us. You can find all of these live in your brand affiliates website today. Enjoy your week or your weekend. You can get this hat there too. I love it.
I know. We just launched those hats a couple weeks ago.
I know.
So cute.
So many fabulous gifts. Hope you have a wonderful week, and we will see you soon.